Okay, it looks like our live stream is going. So this is docket 350 ER 108, the Village of Bangor's application for authority to increase electric rates. This is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge. We're just pausing here for a minute because we don't have the utility. Oh, maybe that's them right here. Okay. Utility wasn't connected yet. So yeah, Patrick Riley. Okay, let's just get him in there. All right, great. So it looks like everybody's connected. Wait a minute for. Okay, Patrick, I see you're connected there. We're going to get started. If you can turn your screen and microphone on. There you go. I can unmute you from here. It's like, okay, oh, you just muted yourself. I'm just going to unmute you for a second. So I know that we did notice the conference room in Bangor to be one of the hearing locations. So I was just wondering if that's where you guys are located and if any members of the public are in attendance.
Yep, that's where we are. No public is here.
Okay. All right. Well, let's get started. I'll just redo the intro here. So thanks for joining us. It's docket 350 ER 108, the application of the Village of Bangor for authority to adjust electric rates. This is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're connected by Zoom, and we also have a hearing location in Bangor. We are here to create the record today. That's the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as any comments we receive live from the utility, commission staff, and members of the public that join us before we adjourn. Just to note, we're also live streaming the hearing, and it's being recorded on our YouTube channel. We are also going to take written comments from the public. The comments are due no later than May 12th, and the public can either file those online or mail them to us. And the details on how to do that are on our notice of hearing and also the hearing that the utility published in the paper. At this point, we have no comments on file. So what we do with the record then, so we create the record today, then we provide it to the decision maker in the case. In this case, it's Tara Bachman, the Deputy Division Administrator for the Division of Energy Regulation and Analysis. Isn't there a utility in there? No, maybe not. Energy Regulation and Analysis, right. So the deputy will review the record and then make a decision in the case. Then a written order will issue based on that decision. It'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. So that's the basic process that we have in front of us. So today we're basically checking in those documents, verifying them, and then taking any comments. So what I'm going to do now is just display on the screen share a list of documents that commission staff has provided that indicate what should go in the record. So we have, first of all, 7 documents from the utility and 2 from commission staff. So I know the customer notice was verified. That's number 7 on the exhibit utility exhibit list. That was verified under oath, so we don't need to verify that document, but I did have a question for the utility about the customer notice. So I could just swear somebody in from Bangor that can talk about that, has some familiarity with how the customers were provided notice. Just let me
Yep,
know.
I can
Yeah.
do that.
Okay, great. So let me swear you in. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, and just state your name and title for the record, please.
Patrick Riley, Electric Utility Manager.
Okay, great. So I was just curious. I know that the customer notice was let me get this right, was posted in the newspaper, was printed in the newspaper. That's what's reflected in that document? Is that your understanding?
That's correct. Yep.
Oh, okay. So did the utility provide any other notice to customers?
Nope, just the newspaper.
Okay. Okay. I mean, we're already into this process right now, but I believe we want to check on the commission's administrative rules. I just have a copy of that for the screen share. So PSC Okay, it's not showing. So PSC 210, we have there's kind of a different varieties of how to provide notice to customers. And as I understand it, you guys bill monthly to your bills you send out monthly. Is that
That's correct.
so typically the standard is that the notice to customer should go in an insert to the bill throughout the one monthly billing cycle. Are you guys able to do an insert into the bill?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Okay. So that's really what the rule is, requiring for customer notice. There's some other options if that situation doesn't apply. So if you look at the 210(1)(b), that's the main requirement where you're billing monthly and you put your insert in the billing cycle. You put your notice as an insert in the billing cycle. And if you're not issued monthly, you can mail out the notice as a special mailing or put it in the newspaper as a advertisement. If you're a small utility that less than 1,000 customers, you can just post the notice in 3 locations that are most likely to give notice to people. So, depending on your size, you have that exception to post it. But if you're billing monthly, you should really stick those notices into the mailings into the monthly bill.
Okay.
All right. So it's kind of complicated. I think in the past I would have said, no, we got to redo the whole thing, renotice and follow this. But I can make an exception here because we've already are in the middle of it, and there was notice provided, just not quite the way the rule requires. So we just want to make note of that for the future.
Okay.
All right. So let's go move on with the list. So then while I got you on the stand here, so to speak, did you have any comments you wanted to make about the case?
I don't have any, no.
No. Okay. All right. And how about your cohort there in the room? Any comments?
Melissa?
No, I don't have any.
No. Okay. All right. Great. So, we'll turn to your consultant then for verifying the remaining documents, more technical documents. So I'll swear you in. Looks like it's Jeff. Yeah, I'm muted there. Raise your right hand. And do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right. Give us your name and title, please.
Jeff Kuhn, Chief Financial Officer, Wisconsin Rapids Waterworks and Lighting Commission.
Okay. And you're working with the utility to prepare the rate application?
Yes,
Okay. So can you see the screen share?
I can.
And the first 6 documents listed as utility exhibits, are you familiar with those?
Yes, I am.
And do you have, and let me just say, are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are. Yes.
Okay. All right. So any comments you have about the case?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. So we'll move on to revenue requirement. Bessie Split. There we go. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
Okay. Can you confirm that the revenue requirement revised is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It is.
Any comments?
I have no comments.
Okay. And cost, service, and rate design, Andrew Fisher. Do you swear or affirm? Tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Can you confirm that the cost, service, study, and rate design exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Any comments?
No comments.
All right. Okay, so that's all the documents checked in. I just wanted to verify there are no members of the public on the Zoom connection, and just wanted to confirm in Bangor any members of the public in attendance now?
Oh,
No. All right. Okay. So that's all we need to do. Just as a reminder, we will take written comments up until May 12th, and you just need to go to the notice of hearing to figure out how to do that. Otherwise, let's turn off the screen share. And just wanted to ask before we adjourn, anything else we need to address? Questions, comments?
so you want to submit that in the billing cycle once?
Well, for the next case, next time.
Oh, okay. So, okay.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
it.
So now we're already past due. So
Okay.
yeah, I wouldn't address this now, but just in the future, you want to pay attention to that.
Right. Okay.
Mhm.
Thank
All
you.
right. Yeah, sure. Okay, all done? All right, thanks very much. We're adjourned. Take care.
Thanks.